Good morning, students. Today we are going to have another seminar class which is on current 4 vector, and of course this is the continuation of last seminar class which was taken on probability charge density and probability current density, and of course they are related. So this is a continuation of the last seminar. Current 4 vector unifies both probability charge density and current density in space and time. So space time is not separate entities, it's the same entity. And whenever we talk about charges, for example, charges are at rest, and they will be at rest for longer time, for example. So we can get to know about the density. So charge density per unit time, or charge density with respect to some interval of time. So charge density is always connected with the time. Suppose if the charges move, and charges will have some velocities and they will have momentum also. So if they move, and they will constitute current density, which is connected with the space. So current density is connected with space, whereas charge density is connected with time. And current 4 vector which unifies both space and time, or otherwise we can say the current vector unifies both charge density and current density in space and time. So space, time, and of course, and this will happen under Lorentz transformation. So when physical laws, they will have to obey from changing from one system to another system, and they will have to obey under Lorentz transformation. And whenever we talk about charge density, we will always think about electricity. Whenever we think about current density, we will think about only magnetism. So when current moves, it's related with the magnetism. Charges are there, it's related with electricity. And this current 4 vector, as I said earlier, which connects both charge density and current density, which is nothing but the combination of electricity and magnetism, which is nothing but electromagnetism. So this is the idea. So the charges which flow in space time, which is nothing but current 4 vector. The flow of charges, the probability of flow of charges, which is nothing but your current 4 vector. So today I am very happy that one of my students, A. Vinota, who is going to take a seminar on current 4 vector. So let us enjoy the seminar.
Good morning to all. I am here to present seminar about current 4 vector. Myself is Vinoda from PG final year in Government Arts College, Melur. Today we have to discuss the current 4 vectors. Current 4 vectors means a talk about space and time. Space and time cannot be separated. Space and time should be unified. We unified of a single quantity. So current 4 vectors. Here we are going to find out the expression for current 4 vector using continuity equations. We know that the equation of continuity is given by, so del dot j vector plus 1 by c partial dou by dou t rho equal to 0. So this equation is the equation of continuity and the first order differential equations. So j vector is the current density vectors, rho is the volume charge density. So this equation is the equation of continuity, which is about the conservation of energy and the conservation of probability charges. The current density and the charge density are not entities in relativistic electrodynamics. In fact, they are grouped together. So J mu equal to J vector I C rho. So mu has 4 values, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So mu has the 4 values. J mu is the current 4 vectors. J vector is equal to J1 I vector plus J2 J vector plus J3 K vectors. So this term is the space part of J mu, and J4 is the I0 is the 4 component of J mu. So this term is the time part of J mu. So this term is the proved in these sections. Now we are considering a small volume element. So dV is the element of volume and the volume charge density is rho. So volume charge density is constant at 3-dimensional. So rho equal to dq by dV. Therefore dq is equal to rho dV. We are going to multiply in equation 3 by dx mu. So dx mu is the positions 4 vectors. So dq dx mu dq is equal to rho dx mu dV. Multiply and dividing equations by dt and right hand side. So left hand side term is dx mu is a vectors, dq is a scalar. So equal to rho dx mu by dt. Dx, dy, dz is a will be a space coordinates and dt is a time coordinates. So this is a scalar. So right hand side term is a scalar. So left hand term is a vector. So mu has a 1, 2 and the 4 values. We know about the Lorentz transformation from one frame to another frames. One frame to another frames. One frame is S frame, another frame is S dash frames. S frame at rest. S dash frame is moving with velocity v. So consider the S frame at rest, then S dash frame is moving with velocity v. So we are going to consider the charge inside the box. This box is also moving with the velocity v. So consider the box. So this box is moving with velocity v. So dq is the charge, dv is the volume of the box. So rho is the charge density. Here the charge is moved. So then it contributes the current and the current density. Therefore here current density are excited. So current density and the probabilities together will give us current 4 vectors. So it is known as for current 4 vectors. So next one, current 4 vectors. J mu is equal to rho dx mu by dt. So this equation is the previous equation. Similarly for first current vectors, mu is equal to 1. So J1 equal to rho dx1 by dt. So the second current vector, mu is equal to 2. So J2 is equal to rho dx2 by dt. So third current vector, mu is equal to 3. J3 is equal to rho dx3 by dt. The final the fourth current vector, mu is equal to 4. J4 equal to rho dict by dt. So the fourth current vector substitute is ict. So J4 is equal to rho ict dt by dt. So dt dc are cancelled. So J4 is equal to ic rho. This is the current, fourth vector current. So this all the terms are J mu is equal to rho dx1 by dt, rho dx2 by dt, rho dx3 by dt and ic rho. So finally we get the current 4 vectors equations. J mu is equal to, the first one is the J1 and the second one is the J2, third one is the J3 and the final one is the J4. So J mu is equal to J comma ic rho. So we can say this as, therefore J mu is equal to J vector dot ic rho. So J mu are the component of current 4 vectors. The component J in S frames can be found S dash from through the transformation matrix. So we should know separated space and time. It is a single quantity that describes for the current vector. So that moves in space and time. It is Lorentz invariant. So it is very useful in quantum electrodynamics. So thank you.